A full-face snorkel mask is a type of snorkeling mask that covers the entire face, including the nose, mouth, and eyes. These masks have become increasingly popular in recent years as they provide a more comfortable and natural way of breathing while snorkeling. However, these masks do come with some potential dangers, such as CO2 buildup and limited airflow. In this video we are going to look at 3 of the best full-face masks, that have the best safety features and are the best on the market in 2023. First up is the Easy Breathe, made by Decathlon. This mask is deemed very safe for CO2 levels. Decathlon are the pioneers of the full-face mask and have a very credible reputation. The model we are looking at today has a really great feature. The nose piece is silicone, which enables you to pinch it when diving down under the water. This allows you to equalize your ears better and reduce the pressure on your face. The next mask we are going to look at is the zip-out full-face mask. This mask has amazing features such as a collapsible tube, earplugs and even comes with a GoPro mount. One of the best features of the zip-out is the inlet and outlet tubes are separated. This means that fresh air enters through the breathing tube, but exhaled air is pushed out of valves on either side of the mask. The valves also allow you to purge the mask to clear any water and air that may have entered. The third and final mask we are going to look at is the SEAC Liberia. Like the zip-out, the SEAC has separate inlet and outlet tubes, and has the outlet valves at the top of the mask next to the inlet tube. Unfortunately, the SEAC does not come with a GoPro mount, but you can buy them separately. The only difference between these two masks is that the SEAC has quick-release straps, which can be handy in an emergency.